Hi, this is Catherine, and here's my recipe for 6-minute Thai style curry. Just quickly, it was inspired by a video I saw of Jamie Oliver making curry in the microwave, and I'll provide that link below. First, I open a can of coconut milk and dump it in a bowl like you see here. Just quickly, this Aroy coconut milk is the brand recommended by America's Test Kitchen, I think. And any other ingredients here are generally recommended, tested. I'll provide the links below. None of them, as of October 10th, 2023, are sponsored. If they ever are, I'll note that in the description. Also, here's my first time saying this. If you like this video, I hope you like and subscribe. Next, I add this can of Maesri curry paste. I like this brand. It's actually not my favorite. I prefer the Aroy curry paste as well, but I like that the Maesri is all metal, all recyclable. I also have an interest, as an aside, in zero waste, trying to be as zero waste as possible, and you'll see that in other videos. The Maesri tastes good too. Also, my apologies for any mispronunciations. After the curry paste, I add this salmon from Trader Joe's. My apologies for the sideways. I'm still working on that. Anyway, this brand of salmon was recommended by Consumer Lab for having the lowest amount of mercury of any salmon, canned or otherwise. So it's a great option, very affordable, only $4 a can, and that's in the Silicon Valley. Hopefully it costs even less where you live. But anyway, just put that in the bowl. Next, add whatever frozen veggies you have handy. I happen to have celery and cilantro. I actually make my own frozen vegetables, and perhaps that'll be in a separate video. Anyway, I just pop those in. And I also add garbanzo beans to beef it up a little. Probably if I'd had more frozen veggies, maybe I wouldn't have bothered with the garbanzo beans. Anyway, put all of that in the microwave, mix it together, put it in the microwave, nuke it for 4 minutes or so. For my microwave, it's just 4 minutes. Stir it. I didn't take a great picture. I'm doing these YouTube videos as a lark, just to see if low-tech videos with just pictures might have any traction at all. If they don't, it's okay. I'm just doing this for fun. Anyway, here's some rice I made earlier in the day, and that was a quick 6-minute Thai style. I emphasize the word style. Obviously, this is not authentic Thai curry, but it's good and done very quickly and relatively healthy. Okay, thanks. Have a good day.